You're spending money on skincare products, moisturizers, serums, facials, but your skin is still dull, breaking out, or aging faster than it should? Here's a secret. Healthy skin starts in the kitchen. Today, we're exposing the top foods that secretly damage your skin, foods that might be on your plate right now. Some of them are considered healthy, but they might be wrecking your glow from the inside out. Research shows that many skin conditions like acne, premature aging, dullness, and inflammation are closely linked to sugar, dairy, and processed foods. They mess with your hormones, trigger inflammation, and even break down your collagen, the protein that keeps your skin tight and smooth. Let's break it down. Number 1. Sugar, the fast track to wrinkles. Sugar is in almost everything, but too much of it can destroy your skin from within. Here's why. Sugar triggers a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff, weak, and brittle. This means faster wrinkles, sagging skin, and less elasticity. Plus, sugar spikes your insulin, leading to breakouts and oily skin. Number 2. Dairy, acne's secret. If you struggle with cystic acne on your jawline or chin, dairy might be the culprit. Milk contains hormones, even organic or grass-fed kinds, and those can interfere with your own hormones, especially insulin and IGF-1, which are linked to acne flare-ups. Cheese, milk, and even whey protein shakes can be acne triggers for many people. You don't have to quit dairy completely, just notice if your skin improves when you reduce it. Number 3. Fried and fast foods. Inflammation overload. Greasy, fried foods don't just mess with your weight, they cause inflammation, which is the root of many skin problems. French fries, fried chicken, packaged snacks, they're full of trans fats and refined oils that increase skin oiliness, clog pores, and lead to puffiness and dark under-eye circles. Your skin ends up looking tired, bloated, and older than it should. Number 4. White bread and refined carbs, acne's best friend. White bread, white rice, crackers, pasta, these high glycemic carbs spike your blood sugar, just like candy does. That sudden sugar spike causes your oil glands to go into overdrive, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. Plus, these foods offer zero nutrition, no fiber, no skin-loving vitamins, just sugar in disguise. Number 5. Alcohol, the glow killer. Alcohol dehydrates your skin, strips away your glow, and causes inflammation, puffiness, and redness. Long-term, alcohol breaks down collagen and weakens your skin's natural barrier. Remember, great skin isn't just about what you put on it, it's also about what you put in your body. Eat clean, hydrate well, and your skin will thank you. Which of these surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more skin-friendly food tips, subscribe and tap the bell. Like, share, and save this video, because your skin deserves better.